Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be comparing two mascaras, which is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes and the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. This is the volume brush and formula, soft waxes and low gravity volumizing fibers to build volume without weight or stiffness. Injected brush with intertwined petal bristles to not lose sight on definition. The curved one is coil and length brush and formula, gripping waxes and 5 mm fibers for an immediate elongated effect. Innovative coiled injected brush to comb to maximum curvature. So I'll be using the Huda Beauty on my right eye, using the L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes on my left eye.
Hello?
Are you into me like I'm into you? Do you wanna do the things I wanna do with you? You're so close and yet so far. I wonder how you look when you're in the dark. You're just one click away, click away, click away from something real or fake, real or fake, real or fake. You're just one click away, click away, click away from something real or fake, real or fake.
Played you Doom and you play Drake. You left crumbs all on my face. Tastes like Riri, tastes like Bay. Bought you Fenty, took his place. Rolled you weed and kissed your face. Man, wanna smoke you out like all day, man.
This is the L'Oreal and this is the Huda Beauty. There's not much difference, honestly. Wow. Which would I go for? They are the same, guys, the same thing. This it's comparable, guys. It's they're on the same lane. But the Huda Beauty feels smoother and so guys, I think they're both comparable, honestly. You can see that for yourself, guys. And this is drugstore and this is high-end. I'll be putting the price there, and that's the price for this. So which would you go for? I would actually, for the namesake, I would go for this because it's high-end and because I love Huda Beauty. But for what it can give, I would go for this. If I want to save some time, I would go for the L'Oreal. Can you see it for yourself, guys? They're both comparable. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this comparison. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you do, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that red button right there if you haven't. And I would love to see you on my next one. Bye guys.